Alright guys, so today I just got a new zample box in the mail. As you can see, I dropped my bottle size down. I wasn't getting enough bottles that I like, so I figured I'd just drop it down, and if I get 3 bad bottles of juice, I get 3 bad bottles of juice. Life goes on. 11 bottles of juice, it was a little much. It was like 23 bucks for the 3 bottles. They're all 15 mils. Yeah, it's not bad. So this is what we got in here. So, what else can we do? Let's just get up close and I'll show you what's in there, the who's and the what's and the... See if I still like zamplebox. So far I'm liking Beatport much better just because, hey, I get hardware with it. I like hardware. I like it hardware. Little Carolina clouds for you. Alright guys, so here's your zample box. Apparently a small one doesn't come in the package like the other one does. Some warning labels and and fucking whatnots. And how the fuck do you open this thing? I'm guessing. I'm guessing that was a good call. So this is going to be my first little box. Let's see, your flavor profile. Zample box card. Download agreement app. Hold phone over ZB crest. Enjoy the cool things. So it must be something new. Not quite sure what that is. Another zample box sticker. Your first, second, and third place for the box. Little foam pad. And you got, let's see, Cali Steam, Juicy Orchard. So that's an apple. And then you got some Cali Steam, Cali Girl, looks like some watermelon. And then you got some Slutty Cat. Alright. From Cloud Thrusters. I've had two bottles of Cali Steam already, 2 different flavors, and you know what? I like the Cali Steam so far. So let's see. Tom March testing menu. Guess what? Looks like you got a few of my favorites this month. Enjoy. Thank you, Tony. Well, thank you, Tony. So we got Cali Girl, which is watermelon hard candy. That doesn't sound too bad. It's a 90 VG, it's a $12 value. Juicy Orchard, which is fresh orchard apples, it's a 90 VG. 15 mils. Okay. Slutty Cat. Slutty Cat, you dirty slutty cat. Strawberry berry milk, 70 VG. They say the retail of the box is 35 bucks. I paid 20 something chip, so I mean it's a good deal if you get juice you like, guys. Alright, well, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for watching.